This is a type of tear gas mask that the pig scum in Ferguson are using. The 54401 clear face piece of the mask is not a fucking riot shield like those worn on the front of riot helmets. The 54401 plastic face piece only meets ANSI standards for impact and penetration resistance. This means the face piece offers no more protection than a pair of safety glasses bought at Home Depot. This faceplate can be penetrated and completely shattered by any of the weapons presented within this video. So the best possible time to execute these pansy-ass pigs is when the pigs illegally use chemical weapons on peaceful protesters. Knights of the Crusade can buy an Israeli military surplus tear gas mask with a new cartridge online for $30. Because the pigs can't see shit and all our weapons are silent, Knights can put on their tear gas masks and pick these pigs off as easily as you shoot targets at a video arcade.
The same thing happened in Algeria, in Africa. They didn't have anything but a rifle. The French had all these highly mechanized instruments of warfare, but they put some guerrilla action on. And a white man can't fight a guerrilla warfare. Guerrilla action takes heart, takes nerve, and he doesn't have that. He's brave when he's got tanks. He's brave when he's got planes. He's brave when he's got bombs. He's brave when he's got a whole lot of company along with him. But you take that little man from Africa and Asia, turn him loose in the woods with a blade. That's all he needs. All he needs is a blade. And when the sun comes down, goes down, and it's dark, it's even Steven.